These are instructions on how to fold an origami bird. We're going to start with the white side of the paper facing up. And we're going to make a diagonal mountain fold. From this top down to this bottom corner, we're going to fold the paper in half. It's important that you get your corners to meet. Make a nice crease. Next, open the paper and along this diagonal crease that you just made, this side is going to meet this middle, like so. So you're going to do a fold from the top point like this. Do the same thing with the other side. This side is going to meet this middle. Next, we're going to make a fold. This very top point is going to get folded down to this point right here. I'm going to put an X. So the top point is going to come and be folded, creased from the top. From here down to here. Now to make the beak, we're going to just fold this little point up. And the distance, it really doesn't matter how far up. Just like so. So from here, another fold there. Now let's turn the whole thing over and fold along this crease, folding it in half. Once more, from here, we're folding along this crease like so. I'm going to hold this up. This is the beak. We're going to pull that out. Okay, so from here, I'm going to pull that out. Make a little pinch. Pull this down a little bit. Make another pinch. And there we have an origami bird.